Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty and skincare. If you're ready to level up your makeup game with a cleaner, healthier approach, then today's review is perfect for you. We're diving into the EcoTools Cleanser Shampoo for makeup brushes, sponges, and puffs. Whether you're a makeup pro or just getting started, keeping your tools fresh and clean is a must, and this product promises to do just that. Let's explore if it lives up to the hype. The EcoTools Makeup Brush Plus Sponge Shampoo is designed to remove makeup, oils, and impurities that accumulate on your beauty tools, ensuring they stay in pristine condition for flawless makeup application. It comes in a 6 fl.oz bottle, which should last a while even with regular use. This shampoo is a go-to for anyone who wants to keep their brushes and sponges in top shape. And the best part? It's totally free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. EcoTools also boasts that the formula is dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and fragrance-free, making it a safe bet even for sensitive skin. From a real-world perspective, using this shampoo is a breeze. I wet my brush bristles with water, squeeze out a small amount of the shampoo, and gently work it into a lather with my fingers. The process is straightforward, and it doesn't take long before the water runs clear, signaling that all the makeup and residue is gone. It's simple and effective, and I really appreciate that it doesn't leave any strange aftertaste or scent on the brushes. Afterward, reshaping the bristles and laying them flat to dry, they felt like new, soft, and ready for the next round of makeup. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product is incredibly gentle on your brushes and sponges while still doing an excellent job at cleaning. The formula is eco-friendly and cruelty-free, which is a huge win in today's beauty industry. It's also really versatile, working on various brush types and sponge materials, so whether you're using EcoTools brushes or any other brand, this cleanser is up to the task. On the flip side, some people may find that it requires multiple washes to fully remove heavy product buildup, especially for very dense brushes. But that's more about the level of usage than the product's quality. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it offers pretty solid bang for your buck. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but it's a reasonable price for a vegan, cruelty-free product that's safe for sensitive skin and free from harsh chemicals. Plus, it helps prolong the life of your brushes, so you're saving money in the long run by not having to replace them as often. Comparing it to other brush cleansers, EcoTools stands out for its clean ingredients list and commitment to sustainability. Some alternatives may work similarly, but can contain stronger chemicals or fragrances that can irritate the skin. If you're looking for a gentle, eco-friendly option, this is one of the best choices you can make. As for build quality, the shampoo itself is well packaged, and the bottle is sturdy, which makes it easy to dispense the product without wasting too much. The formula doesn't feel too thick or too thin, just the right consistency to clean your brushes without being too harsh. Given that this shampoo is designed to be used weekly, it should definitely last a good amount of time, making it a worthwhile investment. I didn't have any personal interaction with customer service for this product, but EcoTools is generally known for its positive reputation when it comes to customer support. If you do run into any issues, you can expect a helpful team on the other side. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit cheaper, you might find drugstore versions of makeup brush cleansers. However, I wouldn't recommend sacrificing quality for price when it comes to something that touches your skin regularly. EcoTools is already quite affordable given its quality and eco-conscious stance. To wrap it up, the EcoTools Cleanser Shampoo for makeup brushes and sponges is an excellent choice for those looking for a gentle, effective, and eco-friendly way to clean their beauty tools. It works well, it's safe for your skin, and it helps maintain the longevity of your brushes and sponges. If you're tired of using harsh chemicals or struggling with fragrances that irritate your skin, this is a great option. Mid-review time? If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews and tips right here on Beautyistic. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to drop any questions if you're on the fence about picking it up, or share your experiences if you already own it. You can find the link to get this product in the comments box. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay fresh, and as always, keep it beautyistic.